warning for southern Washington County and east central Minnesota, eastern Dakota County and east central Minnesota, extreme north central Goodhue County and southeast Minnesota, northwestern Sears County and west